Well, in particular, we have TRID, new TRID rules and procedures that are out there, and you and Ray, your husband, who's also in the business with you, you guys are really limited in the types of things that you can do today that you used to be able to do before.
Well, I like to start this. This is something good for consumers to know and borrowers to know and sellers. TRID is the newest item that basically has come from the new regulations from the current administrations and laws that have been put in place. TRID, basically, it was enacted on October 3rd. And basically what TRID is the government feels that the consumer should have the opportunity to shop their mortgage and to get a number of different estimates and have the time that they need to make an educated decision. And I agree with that. There's nothing wrong with that at all. The thing about it is that lenders now, there are steps that we have to go through. And I have my buyers calling me for some reason. Maybe they're buying and they went with another lender and they're calling me going, why is all this happening? People call me for advice from other mortgage companies as well. And just to give you a short synopsis of it, when we take an application, basically the next thing that happens is we receive a contract from the realtor. When we receive the contract, we input the loan into the system, and we have to send a document to the borrower, which basically is an authorization to proceed. So we cannot send you any documents until we send you that acknowledgement. Then the borrower has to open the email. They have to acknowledge the email and send it back when we get it.
These are very precise procedures.
Precise procedures, and you cannot do them out of order or it's a violation.
And this applies to any lender originating a loan today
Absolutely.
For the purchase of a home.
Yes. So we send, basically the buyer sends that back. Then we can send the disclosures. To fill out and acknowledge the disclosures, because they have to be tracked according to TRID, is very, very complicated. We spend hours explaining things to borrowers as far as the documents are concerned. And it's just become very burdensome on the borrower.
If someone signs a contract to close by December 30th of this year, could you make that happen?
Yes. Yes, I could. If we go back to TRID, I'll make it very, very quick. Everyone for the last year has been talking about how horrible TRID was going to be when it was enacted for the mortgage industry. And it's come, it's gone. We're working with it, and we've hit all of our closings. We've had no issues, and it's because of the people that we surround ourselves with. Is it difficult? Yes, but we make it happen each and every time.